In this video, we would like to use a few examples to illustrate a different range of tools to the standard milling and drilling tools. Let's start with the grinding of a sphere. This IDN is created as user-defined and only consists of the end-of-tool probing operation and the clearance profile operation. The profile was created in the profile editor and assigned to the clearance angle operation. Grinding from the side was used as the grinding method. The geometry values were set to 0, and the grinding position of the grinding wheel was defined with wheel offset angle. The grinding wheel has the shape 14F1. In the grinding setup table, profile grinding is selected. The next part is a knurl piece. This workpiece is also user-defined and has 4 approximately identical flute operations. During the flute operations, the wheel position was changed to manual. This allows you to manually define the disc position using Y offset and Z offset without carrying out a calculation. The individual operations differ in the setting of the helix angle and wheel offset angle and something in the Y offset. Grinding is done with a profile grinding wheel that is measured at the center. Next, you can see a cutting wheel here. 2 profiles have been created, a profile for the clearance angle with rotating A-axis and the overall profile with angle for the cutting edge. The probing align flat operation aligns the cutting edge. The clearance grinding direction operation was used to grind the chamfer and cutting edge. This operation offers extensive setting possibilities. For the grinding method, grinding from top approach was used. After adjusting the grinding direction and various parameters, the cutting edge can be ground. In the chamfer operation, profile grinding is selected and moved laterally along the profile while the tool is rotating. Now, here is a stamp. The profile to be ground was imported from a DXF and brought into the correct position in the profile editor with begin X and begin diameter. The profile is ground with the operation profile preforming cross-section and an OD grinding wheel. The next workpiece is a hole saw. This was created based on a cylindrical milling cutter from the Wizard. The operations gash and first end face clearance are used. The gash was defined by setting gash walk to 2 walks and adjusting the parameters accordingly to achieve the desired shape. The final workpiece is an ultrasonic cutter. The operations fluting spade and clearance profile were used here. For the 2 dummy fluting spade operations, the starting diameter was set to 0 so that the added clearance angle operations run exactly in the middle of the plate. The profiles were created in the profile editor and the clearance angle operations with the desired profile were overlapped with the dummy fluting spade operations. The clearance angle operations are split between right and left hand cutting so that the clearance angles are on the correct side of the cutter. If you have any further questions on producing special tools fitting your individual needs, please don't hesitate to contact our helpline. You will find the contact details in the video description. Thanks for watching, and best of success!